congratulations on graduating from university.
Congratulations on graduating from high school.
Thanks. What are you going to do next?
Well, I got a job at Electric Materials for manufacturing.
Really? What's so cool about manufacturing?
I'm Becky Ramsdell. I'm the president of the Electric Materials Company. I've been with the company about 20 years. Very diverse in what we do. Makes it exciting every day, something different. We employ about 148 employees. We're looking to expand that employment. We have commercial aspects for sales. We have engineers in designing new products. We have engineers for facilities and machines. We have skilled operators on the floor. We have various employment levels available. We take kids right out of high school. We offer apprenticeships. We're working on pre-apprenticeships. We also bring in degreed individuals. We also support education.
After processing, Electric Materials cleans products by sanding in order to prepare the copper for shipping. Manufactured parts are delivered throughout the United States and worldwide.
My name is Clayton Klimek. I've been here for 5 months through the apprenticeship program. I'm a CNC programmer and I program the new CNC outfit.
For over 100 years, starting in 1915, Electric Materials has helped build and improve their own products as well as selling many other products like commutators to enhance electric motors.
There's a lot of job openings out there for the up-and-coming people who want to learn how to run manual machines.
Copper is melted to a Play-Doh-like consistency to form it into various shapes and molds. The scrap gets taken out of the machine and put into a container. It comes in all sizes and is shipped to where it is recycled. Electric Materials is proud to be involved in recycling.